Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix add post to your story missing and not showing up problem on Instagram. I know that many people have this problem when they try to share post on Instagram, but they don't see an option to add post to story. Luckily, this can be fixed in just a minute. Just follow these steps. First of all, go to Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app. Just search for Instagram app, and if you see that update is available for this app, then update it. As you can see, it says open for me. That means I have the latest version of Instagram. Now go to your phone settings, go to apps folder, select apps one more time again, search for Instagram app and click on it. Now select storage and click on clear data. This should clear all of your Instagram data. Once everything is cleared, go to permissions and enable all of these options. Now open up Instagram app, log into your account, and now you should see the add post to your story feature. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix add post to your story missing and not showing up problem on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.